for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Well, here's another live look outside right now. Now, this is from our tower cam, and our tower cam sits about 200 feet off the surface. So we're kind of getting into that bottom area of that low cloud deck that overlies our area. But there is some build down of this, and we're finding some areas of low visibility, especially off to the south. 38. It's a windy 38, so it actually feels colder than that. Winds right now out of the south-southeast at 24 miles per hour. And here's a look at the visibilities. Right now, 1.5 miles in Branson and a 1/2 mile in Harrison. And I do think that we're going to find additional areas getting encompassed with these lower visibilities as we work into the evening hours. So that's going to be one forecast concern for this evening. Temperatures will be climbing this evening as well. You can see the warmer air located just to our west. That will overspread our area here over the coming hours as a warm front makes its way from west to east across the region. And watch those numbers, see how they climb. You can see by midnight, looks like we're going to be up near 50 here in Springfield. That's going to be our high for Wednesday. It looks like rain, not going to see too much of it this evening, but those showers will be picking up, especially around and after midnight, and then we'll find a steadier rain setting in ahead of sunrise, probably about 3 to 4 o'clock in the morning here in Springfield. And then that steady rain will continue through the morning hours on Wednesday. And you can see how temperatures quickly drop from that midnight high of 50 back into the upper 30s by 7 o'clock. And they'll continue to fall down into the mid 30s by late morning. It looks like there may also be a brief opportunity at a little bit of light snow trying to mix in with that rain on the northwest edge of this as we work through Wednesday afternoon. That precipitation should taper off, though, from northwest to southeast. You can see how temperatures hold steady in the mid-30s throughout the rest of the day. As far as rainfall totals, a soaking rainfall. We're looking at a solid 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches across the area. Here in Springfield, expecting about 1 inch of rainfall with this storm, with another one to follow as we ring in the new year. Looks like for Thursday morning, New Year's Eve morning, we're looking at cold air in place. Precipitation, though, off to the south. Now, there is going to be a risk, I think, late Wednesday night into early Thursday for maybe a little bit of freezing rain here down closer to the state line. Really not expecting any major impacts out of that. As we work through the day on Thursday, you can see how temperatures really don't climb all that much, but we should get back above freezing. I expect highs around 35 or 36 here in Springfield. Precipitation, though, spreading in from the south by late afternoon. And I think as that moves in, we're probably going to see initially a mixture of rain and sleet. Temperatures will probably cool off to about freezing because of the rain coming down. And when that happens, we'll, I think, have a brief period of light freezing rain before temperatures climb back up a little bit above freezing by midnight as we're ringing in the new year Thursday night. And you can see how temperatures will continue to climb towards sunrise on Friday. It looks like a very, very wet night Thursday night. The rain will continue into Friday morning, tapering off to light showers or drizzle, I think, later in the morning, and that'll continue into the afternoon. Temperatures on Friday, not terribly warm, but we will be above freezing. It looks like highs generally in the mid to upper 30s near north of the interstate, upper 30s and 40s more common to the south of the interstate. And with that storm, we're going to pick up another 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. So all that said, out of these two storms, we're looking at mainly a cold rain, 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. This could lead to some creek flooding. Areas of those low water crossings also possibly impacted. I think as far as wintry weather, I think the main risk for wintry weather is going to come late Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening as that precipitation is building back in. But it looks like impacts are going to be minimal from that. I think we have one final shot at some wintry weather, maybe late Friday night into Saturday morning. Snow flurries or snow showers, highs in the 30s Saturday, and then we thaw out on Sunday.
Okay, just get through this last week of 2020 and things are looking
Things are looking up in 2021.
In more than one way, I think. Yeah. All right, Jamie, thank you. Well, a COVID-19 testing site in Christian County is closing. Why organizers made the